Manor ISD is growing, with nearly 2,800 additional students projected in the next 5 years. The Manor ISD Board of Trustees have called for a $280 million bond election to help address anticipated growth. This bond is expected to have no tax rate impact. Nearly $75.8 million is slated for transportation and facility improvements. Projects include a brand new transportation facility that will serve 150 buses, new buses, and a new fleet of vehicles for district use.
We're carrying 6,500 students on an average any given day, and that our district is spread out over 100 square miles. Have a new transportation facility will allow for us to be able to have better communication with drivers because we'll all be housed in one area. We'll be able to have a shop that's large enough to allow our technicians to be able to do a lot of that work in-house, and it would save our district a lot of money.
The bond proposal will also focus on assessment-based improvements and repairs. These proposed renovations include electrical and mechanical system upgrades, roof repairs and replacements, food service equipment replacement, plumbing and restroom upgrades, parking lot, sidewalk, and driveway repairs, STEAM labs for elementary schools, and sensory labs for elementary and middle schools. This bond will also address growth, safety, and technology needs. Election Day is Tuesday, November 5th, and early voting will be October 21st to November 1st. The deadline to register to vote is October 7th. For more information, visit manorisd.net/bond 2019.